How to improve sound quality on headphones. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to improve sound quality on headphones. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step 1 is simply use high quality audio files. Opt for lossless formats like FLAC, WAV or high-bitrate or bitrate MP3s for clearer and more detailed sound. Step 2 is simply you can customize the EQ on your device or music app to enhance bass, mids, or treble to suit your listening preferences. The third step to follow is simply you can upgrade your audio source. Use a digital to analog converter or amplifiers for better audio signal processing, especially with high-end headphones. By following all the steps, you can significantly enhance your headphone sound quality for a more immersive audio experience. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.